बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very stunning seashell craft ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and very unique seashell ideas for you guys. These are most beautiful and very stunning seashell wreath decoration ideas. These are very stunning ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like these seashell wreath ideas. You guys make these seashell wreath decoration ideas at home very easily. And if you don't know about how to make these type of wreath design, then you watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make seashell wreath ideas. These are very pretty and very unique seashell wreath ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these seashell wreath ideas. I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are best, amazing and unique seashell wreath ideas for you guys. Always remember me in your prayers. I personally enjoy these type of seashell wreath craft, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. And if you like this video, then you must hit the like button and share this video with your friends. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. These are very stunning and very beautiful seashell wreath designed for you guys. These are super amazing and most stunning seashell wreath decoration ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. And these are very beautiful and very stunning collection for you guys. These are very amazing ideas and very unique ideas for you guys, and I hope so guys you like these ideas, and these are very unique and very stunning collection for you guys, and I hope so you enjoyed these seashell wreath design. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and you must make these wreath design at your homes, and these are very stunning ideas and very unique ideas for you guys, and always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are most stunning, super classy and very beautiful collection for you guys. And guys, these seashell wreath ideas are very stunning for home decor, and you also purchase from different websites. And I hope so you enjoyed this video. You must share this video with your friends and with your family. Always take care guys, always be happy, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz guys.